Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you guys a new paper airplane. This is my new design and this looks terrible, right? But it's a very cool design and it's fly very well, especially indoor. But let me check out if it's fly well outdoor, okay? So check it out. I'll hold the paper airplane up and throw it up at 30 to 45 degrees slightly. Wow, it glides very well. So check it again. Look at this. This is terrible, right? Look at the wings. It's just like a terrible shape, but actually it is a very nice one. You see, it looks like a bird, right? It's the legs. So let me throw it up. Wow! You guys asked me about aerodynamic for this plane. This plane is not aerodynamic, guys. The design is just not for a long distance. Okay, it's just a fun paper airplane with a very cool shape, and it's a swan. Oh, you guys already saw the swan that I made a long time ago, right? So it looks like it's like a duck, whatever name it is. So I'll wait for you guys to name this plane. Okay, just me throw it up. Ooh. Wow, almost like a boomerang. Well, so let's check it again. We throw it up. Wow, wow. All right, so check it again. Okay. Hey. Wow. You want to see us fly again? Wow. One more time, okay? Oi! Yay! Alright guys, so this is a new paper airplane. I hope you guys enjoy watching this plane fly.